rapid-fire montage of news headlines, and exciting visuals. Hey everyone, and welcome back to WatchWire News. We've got a packed show for you today, kicking off with a massive update for Apple Vision Pro users. Get ready, because visionOS 26 is officially here, and it's bringing some seriously game-changing features that will transform your spatial computing experience. We're talking about widgets finally making their debut, personal personas getting a stunning upgrade, and a mind-blowing new way to share experiences with friends. Plus, prepare to be amazed by spatial scenes that add incredible depth to your photos and videos. You won't want to miss this deep dive into what's new with Apple's revolutionary headset. But that's not all. If you're a fitness fanatic or just looking to get more out of your workouts without breaking the bank, we've got incredible news. Forget those expensive smartwatches, because your favorite budget fitness tracker is on sale right now for under $70, and it comes with a built-in coach to help you crush your goals. We'll tell you all about the Amazfit Bip 6 and why it's the ultimate workout companion. Then, we're heading to Kentucky, where Apple is deepening its ties with a critical manufacturing plant. This facility is set to become the exclusive producer of cover glass for every single iPhone and Apple Watch sold globally. We've got the inside scoop on this massive investment and what it means for American manufacturing. And finally, the Emmys have spoken. Apple's incredible comedy series, The Studio, has made history as the most-winning freshman comedy ever, while the gripping drama Severance has once again dominated as the most-winning drama of the year. We've got all the details on their massive Emmy hauls. Stick around, you don't want to miss any of this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to WatchWire News, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Widgets are finally here for Apple Vision Pro. Apple has just dropped visionOS 26, the latest update for its groundbreaking spatial operating system, and it's packed with features that bring your digital world even closer. The biggest headline? Widgets are now a reality, allowing you to pin photos, weather updates, calendar events, and more directly into your physical environment. These widgets will remember their place, seamlessly integrating into your space even after you leave and return. Developers will also soon be able to create their own spatial widgets, expanding your options beyond system apps. Beyond widgets, visionOS 26 brings a dramatic leap forward for personas, making them more expressive and sharper than ever before. But perhaps the most exciting new feature is the ability to share experiences in real time with other Apple Vision Pro users. Imagine watching a 3D movie or playing a spatial game together, seeing each other's avatars within the experience, much like a shared FaceTime call, but for any spatial activity. This update also introduces spatial scenes, powered by a new generative AI algorithm, which adds an incredible sense of depth to photos and other content, making them feel more immersive than ever before, even surpassing traditional spatial photos. You'll be able to enjoy these spatial scenes across Safari, the Spatial Gallery, and even in third-party apps like Zillow, bringing virtual tour to life. This update is already sparking conversations about the future of spatial computing, with users eager to explore the new interactive possibilities. Analysts are noting that the enhanced sharing capabilities could be a significant driver for Vision Pro adoption. But hold on, because the future of personal tech is always evolving, and we've got another major development that could change how you track your fitness and manage your health. Your favorite fitness tracker just got a major upgrade and a killer price cut. In a world where high-end smartwatches can cost upwards of $799, it's easy to think you need to spend a fortune to get serious about your fitness. But we're here to tell you that's simply not true. My go-to budget smartwatch, the Amazfit Bip 6, is currently on sale for an unbelievable $69 at Amazon US, a full $10 off its already budget-friendly price. This isn't just any cheap tracker. The Amazfit Bip 6 is a powerhouse for data-driven athletes. It meticulously tracks your sleep, readiness scores, and workouts, offering personalized feedback to help you improve. With a remarkable 14-day battery life and the ability to track over 140 different workouts, it keeps up with your active lifestyle. The companion app provides in-depth analysis of your metrics, and the standout feature, Zep Coach, can even create custom training plans tailored to your specific goals. The sleep tracking is particularly impressive, offering a detailed breakdown of sleep quality based on heart rate and respiratory rate, which directly impacts your daily readiness. It's the perfect tool for anyone who wants detailed performance insights without the premium price tag. Fitness enthusiasts are buzzing about this deal, highlighting the unparalleled value for money. Many are comparing it favorably to much more expensive options, proving that effective fitness tracking doesn't require a massive investment. And speaking of essential tech that impacts our daily lives, we're turning our attention to the very components that make our favorite devices possible, with a significant expansion happening right here in the USA. Apple's critical iPhone and Apple Watch glass supply chain is getting a massive boost in Kentucky. In a significant move to bolster American manufacturing, Apple is dramatically deepening its relationship with glass maker Corning Inc. The company announced plans to triple production capacity and increase its workforce by 50% at Corning's plant in Harrodsburg, Kentucky. This facility is set to become the exclusive global producer of cover glass for every iPhone and Apple Watch sold worldwide, solidifying a partnership that began with the original iPhone in 2007. Apple is backing this expansion with a staggering $2.5 billion commitment, enabling Corning to develop and implement advanced manufacturing processes. This investment is part of Apple's broader initiative to increase its manufacturing footprint in the United States, a move that has garnered bipartisan praise. Corning's chief operating officer, Hal Nelson, stated that this collaboration will create a next-generation U.S. manufacturing platform. Apple CEO Tim Cook emphasized that this will result in the largest and most advanced production line ever created for smartphone glass, ensuring that consumers worldwide will hold devices featuring glass made in Kentucky. The Harrodsburg plant, currently employing around 350 people, is expected to expand its workforce to at least 500 by the end of 2026, with an innovation center also planned for R&D. This announcement has been met with enthusiasm from plant employees and the local community, who see it as a vital injection of stability and growth. The commitment highlights Apple's strategy to secure its supply chain while supporting domestic production and job creation. Now, let's shift gears from manufacturing might to the dazzling world of entertainment, where Apple is once again making waves and collecting major accolades. Apple TV Plus scores historic Emmy wins for the studio and Severance. Get ready to celebrate, because Apple TV Plus has absolutely dominated the 77th Primetime Emmy Awards, racking up an incredible 22 wins. The freshman comedy phenomenon, The Studio, has shattered records, becoming the most-winning freshman comedy in Emmy history with a staggering 13 awards. Meanwhile, the critically acclaimed global hit Severance led the drama categories, securing 8 wins and cementing its status as this year's most-winning drama. The acclaimed spy thriller Slow Horses also added a win for outstanding directing for a drama. This monumental night saw the studio take home the coveted Outstanding Comedy Series award, alongside wins for its leading actor Seth Rogen, Outstanding Lead Actor, Outstanding Writing, and Outstanding Directing. Severance's triumph included major acting awards for Britt Lower, Outstanding Lead Actress, and Trammell Tillman, Outstanding Supporting Actor, along with wins in production design, cinematography, sound, and title design. Apple executives Zach Van Amberg and Jamie Ehrlicht expressed their immense pride, highlighting how these stories connect with audiences worldwide and showcase the power of great storytelling. With these wins, Apple's original content library now boasts an impressive 620 wins and over 2,800 nominations. Fans and critics alike are hailing the incredible success of Apple's programming, with social media buzzing about the historic achievements of the studio and the continued brilliance of Severance. The wins underscore Apple TV Plus' commitment to producing high-quality, award-winning content that resonates globally. From groundbreaking technology to award-winning entertainment, Apple continues to push boundaries. But before we wrap up, we'll give you a lightning-fast recap of all today's top stories. What an incredible lineup of news today. We saw visionOS 26 revolutionize the Apple Vision Pro with widgets and spatial scenes. We found out your favorite fitness tracker, the Amazfit Bip 6, is on sale for under $70 with a built-in coach. We learned about Apple's massive $2.5 billion investment in a Kentucky plant that will exclusively produce iPhone and Apple Watch cover glass. And we celebrated Apple TV, plus historic Emmy wins for the studio and Severance. Don't miss out on any of the action. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to WatchWire News for more updates like these, and hit that notification bell so you're the first to know when we go live. And tell us in the comments below which story you found most exciting. Follow us on all social platforms for behind-the-scenes content and more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.